Hey team, cup run is over. How's it going today? So I wanted to jump on here and go through some of the things that I keep on me that I order and prepare for this season to keep my family above the wellness line, or at least try my best. Hopefully all of you have been diffusing this bad boy, thieves. Cause 'tis the season, you guys. Thieves is awesome at boosting your immune system, at helping your own body's natural defenses kick in. So this guy should be in the diffuser. Plus, it smells amazing. Cinnamon, clove, lemon. It smells very fallish or Christmas-ish. And this one also is great to put on the bottom of your feet or diluted, put it down your spine. I have been using this on Lennon, the bottom of his feet. A couple cases of strep went through his therapy place, and praise the Lord, we escaped it this time, which he's gotten it before when it goes through there. So, but this year I was like, we're diffusing this. We are putting it on the bottom of our feet. And we're going to do our darndest to stay above that wellness line. So you guys, use your thieves. Now is the time. And you can add citrus fresh or lemon or other oils to it to really make it smell nice. But thieves is an oil that really is something special, and you should be using in your diffuser or putting on the bottom of your feet this time of year. Okay, so oil. That's one I definitely have. In my purse, I always have the Thieves Hand Purifier. And I love this stuff. You guys, a lot of the hand sanitizers that are out there, first of all, if you haven't checked it out, they're full of chemicals that are not so good for you. They dry your hands really bad. And if you do your research, a lot of the germs and things are becoming resistant to all this antibacterial stuff that's out there. So Thieves is a natural hand purifier. It's gentle on your hands, and it has the power of Thieves oil in it. And Mother Nature is really good at defending us with things. So if you haven't tried this or the little Thieves spray, I don't have one on hand right now, but the Little Thieves spray is awesome for spraying down that shopping cart handle or the doorknob to the bathroom at a public place, things like that. Because same thing with those antibacterial wipes that you see everywhere, you guys, they're full of chemicals. They actually say on the wipes that you should rinse things after you use them, and nobody does that. Where the Thieves spray is good, you can spray it and it doesn't need to be rinsed. Also great for like stuffed animals and spraying on toys like that. If you have other kiddos in your house, maybe a lot. I know I have a few members that do in-home daycare, things like that. So that Thieves spray and the hand purifier are definitely ones that just kind of, I feel like they keep you protected when you're out and about, right? Now in home, the Thieves diffusing, Thieves on the bottom of your feet for the oil, but I have a couple things that I love to use. Inner Defense is a supplement. You can't see it, but you don't really need to see it. You can look it up on your thing. Inner Defense is an actual supplement that is just oils. So it is basically the Thieves Vitality Blend and oregano, and it's in a nice gel cap ready to go. This I don't take all the time. This I take if I'm around other people that aren't feeling well, or if I just start to feel run down. If I get that little tickle in my throat, that is usually a warning sign to me that I'm about to go under. I take this, and I take it, what do? I do like one gel cap. It says 3 to 5 times a day. I usually do 3 a day. And a lot of times this just really kicks in your body's defense mechanism, and I end up staying really healthy. This is not a Young Living product, but garlic is another one that I sometimes pair with this. And it's a really great, just kind of like immune booster. But they say that you don't want to take those things that are immune boosting every day. You kind of want to take them when your body really needs it to like kick in those defenses, right? Life 9 is another one I would recommend, and this is one you can take every day. This is a probiotic. You guys, your immune system, a lot of it starts with your gut. And if your gut health is not healthy, if you don't have a healthy balance of bacteria in there, you're going to be one of those people that goes down with every single thing that comes around. So if you are one of those people, you might want to research and consider gut health and Life 9. Now, you know, sometimes things, we just get them, you know, I mean, we can't escape it all, but I'm just giving you stuff. The Kid Scent Mighty Pro is a kid probiotic and prebiotic. So the Life 9 is one that you can take, and then this would be for your kids if you're trying to keep everyone above the wellness line. ImmuPro is another one that I love. This is like your natural NyQuil. It has, it's a chewable capsule, and it's made with the Ningxia Red. Or the wolfberry, and it has things that help boost your immune system, but then it also, like zinc and different things that are good for immune system boosting and protecting, but then it has melatonin in it. So it's really great to help you get that rest at night when you're not feeling well. Or also, a lot of us like to take this when we travel because, you know, it's hard to sleep somewhere new, and also there's lots of germs around when you're traveling, so it's kind of like dual purpose with that. But ImmuPro is a great one, and these chewable capsules, I know a lot of people will take and they'll cut them up and give a half to a kid or a fourth to a kid. You know, that's your own personal discretion. I would feel great doing that if I could get Lennon to eat them, but he won't. And then the Thieves Cough Drops. These are well worth the price. You only need like 1 to 3 because they work so good. And that clove and cinnamon has that soothing effect on your throat, like the numbing, kind of like Sucrets, except not the nasty taste of Sucrets. And these don't have dye, they don't have sugar, they don't have all the things that most cough drops out there have. And I just highly recommend, if you haven't tried these, I like to have, like, I ordered some now, and I'm going to order another bag because I like to have them on hand because they often go out of stock during the winter when everybody's getting sick. You know, everybody's ordering them. So you got to be smart and order some of this stuff soon. So if you haven't tried those, you've got to. And Digest is another one that I just, you know, this is an oil. If you got the starter kit, this is in your kit. This is a great oil for anything stomach related. So anything going around that's stomach related, rub this on your tummy, put a drop of the Vitality under your tongue or in a capsule and take it. And it's really going to help you to weather through those kind of things. Okay. Hopefully you don't need it, but if you do, it's really great for all the TMI issues that nobody wants to talk about. Okay, so those are my suggestions for keeping your family above the wellness line. There's lots of other natural things that you can do. There's detox baths that can be helpful if you are under the weather, and a lot of these things will be soothing to you. Even if you end up getting sick or catching something, a lot of times these things are really soothing. Things like eucalyptus oil, RC Raven. Raven is in the kit now. Those on your chest or diffused can be so great if you're already not feeling well, congestion and things like that, where you would need respiratory support. And these other things can also help just to kind of make things a little easier for you. And they're natural, which is really great because you're not loading your body down with things that aren't so great for you. So those are the things I like to have in my wellness arsenal. And I also wanted to just really quick let you guys know, if you're interested in learning more about the Thieves line, and Thieves, you know, that oil is in all the Thieves products, and that oil is great at helping our bodies to stay strong and stay, you know, protected and kicking our immune system and all that stuff. So that's in all the Thieves products, which is really cool. So if you want to check that out, tomorrow night I'm doing a Zoom class. So that's online. You need either your phone or a laptop with a video. You can turn your video off. So if you don't want to be on camera, you don't have to. And you can turn your mic off so you don't have to talk if you're shy, but you want to hear and listen. And I like the Zoom because you can ask questions and participate, and we can chat back and forth about different things. But that's going to be 8 o'clock tomorrow night, 8 o'clock Central Time tomorrow night. If you want an invite and you didn't already get one or you didn't see it, just comment and I will make sure that you get the link so that you can join in with us. Zoom is really easy and it's really fun, and it's a great way where you can take in some info but still be in your jammies and be comfortable. So, okay guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you all stay above the wellness line. And vitamin C, that was one other thing I forgot. I put Super C on my order that's coming. I should have it by Saturday. Super C is another one. Really great. Vitamin C is super good for our body when we start to go under the wellness line. So it's another one to consider. And the chewable Super Cs are amazing. I'll probably keep thinking of ideas, but I'm going to stop talking because you guys got stuff to do and so do I. All right. Love you guys. Bye.